If you need more space in your home, business or garage, after watching this video, you'll no doubt also want a TechroStar solution. Over time, I've stored shelves, boxes and furniture in my garage, leaving less and less space for my cars, until eventually I had to park them in the street. My first option was to go to my local ironworks and ask them to build me a custom second floor and then hire a painter to give it a good finish. We arranged for him to come to my garage and take a look and give me an estimate. But I'm still waiting for him today. Searching the internet, I found TechroStar, the online mezzanine company that provides a solution to what I was looking for. I took a couple of measurements and, with a small plan of my garage, I looked in their online catalogue for the mezzanine that best suited my space. I also found a wide range of stairs and railings that were perfect for adapting to my space and needs. In addition, it includes a mezzanine installation service near your location to make the work even easier if you need it. As the shipping service is extremely fast and I was convinced by the product, I decided to add the mezzanine I liked to my cart. After finding the appropriate structure, the technical department supported us and showed us a 3D image of the mezzanine. The order was delivered without a scratch to my garage door. All the pieces come packaged and well protected. In addition, all of the hardware comes separated in convenient bags to make assembly easy by following a simple instruction manual and safety warnings. The system is straightforward and practical, with telescopic beams that adjust to the size you need using bolts and screws. Assembly is very intuitive. It is a Meccano-style system explained step by step in the assembly manual. In just half a morning, the installers had finished assembling the structure and then started on the floor. The structure is really very stable. The next day, all that was left to do was finish it off. The installers finished assembling the railings and stairs, and all that was left was to rearrange the space as we wanted it.
This heart has wings.
I park the cars I used to leave in the street underneath. The top is now a storage space for boxes and furniture that are not going to be needed. Now I have an area for playing pool and some arcade machines where I can spend my Sundays with mates. Best of all is that the mezzanine can be disassembled should I want to move it. In addition, the TechroStar website has more modules in case I want to expand the mezzanine in the future. This is the end result. I'm very happy with how fast and simple it all was. Now I can fully enjoy my garage space.